back. Summer is a time for light colors and textures. But as the weather gets cooler, darker and warmer tones come into play. You've seen the makeup trends for autumn-winter. Now, let's give you a glimpse into the autumn-winter fashion trends by Villa Moda. Dubai's most fashionable socialites were headed to DIFC, where Villa Moda launched their autumn-winter collection with a fashion show. They have rightly called their campaign the ultimate therapy, which implies that you can forget all your stresses while you shop at Villa Moda and get transported into a world of elegance, beauty, and the latest trends. Wouldn't we all love some of that? The fashion show displayed 44 different looks, featuring designers from international fashion icons such as Issey Miyake, Vivienne Westwood, Jill Sander, Nina Ricci, Victoria Beckham, and many, many more.
Sarah, what do you think about the Villa Moda collection?
I think it was good. Vivienne Westwood had good clothes, and the shoes of Nicholas Kirkwood was fine. And the ambience, of course, was excellent.
This is fantastic. I think the place looks amazing.
It's quite interesting, and I like the exotic design of the overall place. So it's very much a blend of Dubai with the designers.
Some fantastic clothes, and like Villa Moda is huge in Dubai now. It's really exciting that it's here.
Villa Moda is, of course, a great venue to shop and find excellent designers.
Yeah, though, it's fantastic. A really nice mix, actually.
Jihan, I love your dress. What are you wearing?
This is from BB.
I love your earrings. Where are they from?
These are actually from Warehouse in the UK.
I'm wearing a top by Marlene Berger and shoes by Gucci, and of course my Cartier handbag.
I'm wearing a Lanvin suite and Thomas Pink shirt and tie, Berluti shoes.
The suit is tailor-made and the shoes are Christian Louboutin. I got it in a sample sale in London from Body Amra.
Alexander Wang dress. And these shoes, they're just an Italian designer, but quite unknown.
Your glam team at High Life Dubai had a chat with the brand manager of Villa Moda, Ayman, and here's what he has to say.
The concept behind the fashion show and the concept behind our collection is retail therapy. Of course, in times of recession and we're all going through a lot of hard times, we've come up with a solution at Villa Moda, and that's shopping. So shopping is the ultimate therapy, and Villa Moda is the ultimate therapy. So what we've done is we've tried to show a series of looks which can make a woman feel good, whether she's going out at night, whether she's at the office or going for a cocktail. We've tried to kind of address all looks and all ages and all styles.
I'm sure all you style divas are really happy with this segment and all the fashion information. A wise lady had once said, there's always a way to beat stress. Eat chocolate. It's cheaper than a spa and you don't need an appointment. I'm sure all you chocoholics will surely agree. Anyone who loves fine chocolates will have surely heard of the legendary Jean Geller Belgian chocolates. This Belgian chocolate master craftsman has recently expanded its presence in the UAE with a new look chocolate cafe. It features a chocolate bar with more than 100 types of sumptuous chocolates and an inviting tasting area overflowing with the delicious aroma of fresh chocolate. I'm sure you're dying to take a look. The massive-sized new outlet at Mall of the Emirates is the first to retail this brand. For 30 years, this company has been driven by three simple principles: passion for chocolate, pride in perfection, and ceaseless creativity. As a constant innovator and creator of unique, authentic chocolate, Jean Geller is regularly honored with official distinctions, the most prestigious of them being that of Belgian Royal Warrant Holder.
When I was 16, I left school to become an apprentice in pastry, but immediately I saw a very beautiful book speaking about chocolate, and I found in love with chocolate. So I went to Switzerland to learn chocolate, and after that to Paris. And now we have a lot of sort of chocolate bars, tablet, praline, and so on. And we are the only chocolate maker in the world who match the sea and the chocolate.
And now Jean Geller is giving away 4 gift vouchers worth 500 dirhams each. Just answer this simple question. And the question is, where is the new Jean Geller Cafe open? A. Mall of the Emirates, B. Dubai Mall, C. Marina Mall. Send in your answers to win at highlifedubai.ae or go on our website, click on competition and answer the simple question. Well, after tasting these delicious chocolates, it's time for us to move on to our next segment called Lifestyle Guru. As you know, Lifestyle Guru is a new segment where we're going to answer our viewers' queries. And today I've got a letter from a very, very loyal viewer of High Life Dubai. Her name is Suman Sharma. She lives in Sharjah and she's 34 years old. She wants to know more about anti-aging creams. Wow, that's interesting. So we went to La Prairie and we spoke to the experts about their anti-aging cream. Take a look.
Cellular Gold Illusion Line Filler. This is one of the new product within the Radiance collection. When we talk about Radiance, it will really give you the golden glows on your skin. This is a product where really fill up the lines and wrinkles, highs visible, really immediately cover the lines and wrinkles, expression lines. And it's a perfect palette for makeup application. What do we have in this product? Why is it really effective? And it really gives you a golden glow. Here we have the silk peptide and of course the micro gold particles that really give you this glow and hides and fill up the lines and wrinkles. And plus, of course, it perfectly hydrates your skin all day long, protects your skin from getting dehydrated. At the same time, it has an antioxidant protection. This product is more than cosmetics because cellular, again, don't forget we have the exclusive cellular complex, the unique ingredients of La Prairie, which is also protecting, preventing from aging.
To buy this amazing cream, visit any of the Arij outlets. But as usual, High Life Dubai team is giving you an opportunity to win 3 of these wonderful creams. All you have to do is answer this simple question. And the question is, what's an extraordinary ingredient in this cream? A. Gold, B. Silver, and C. Copper. Send in your answers to win at highlifedubai.ae or go on our website, click on competition and answer the simple question. It's time for me to take a short break. See you in a bit. Coming up after the break is some Bollywood. We'll meet singer Sridhar and actor Kangana Ranaut.